The weather is torrential here in Gulf County. Come with me as we explore Hurricane Ivan. The wind is torrential. I can't see where I'm going. The churches are taking a beating. No problem putting in a boat here. We're being engulfed by the Gulf. The palm trees are swaying. Sandbags are my bag, baby. Doesn't this city clean up its streets? I believe I wet myself. Oh my goodness, some people just give up, don't they? I believe the wind has blown the paint off of this house. Looks like our canal is now a mighty river. Focus, shipwreck. What kind of dumb bloke, some moron, would be out in this weather? I just have no idea. Oh, we're home!